You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, these two words actually. Top word is an exclamation. It's pronounced as O, and it is pronounced indeed just like the letter O of the alphabet. O. The H is silent, so don't worry about it. Now, the bottom word is a verb, as in owe, when you have an obligation to pay or repay, when you owe something to somebody, money. O is also how it's pronounced. So those two words are homophones, meaning they have the exact same pronunciation in English, and they are homophones of the letter O as well. O as in, oh my God, or I owe you money. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.